You come onto this stage, you don't feel 100%, and it's fucking terrifying. Let me tell you, no fucking bullshit. But I come out here, first song, and I feel your fucking support. Like, honestly, I've already said to you already, I need you and you need me. And I fucking feel it. But stop throwing your fucking chicken nuggets, I'm not hungry. Honestly, one more time. Let's all just have a fucking cheer for ourselves. You're the best fucking fan base in the world. You make me feel like a fucking superhero up here. Invincible. And that's all thanks to every single one of you. I feel it. I feel your support. All right, send